Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is the second video. My last video I reacted to Megan, Nikki, and Cupcake, and all three of them did what I needed. What they gave what I needed. So yeah, this video, part 2, I will be reacting to Doja Cat's new song. I forgot the name of it. Oh, give me 2 seconds. Oh, hold on. I saw it. Doja. Not Kiss Me. Need to Know. Okay. So, Doja Cat. I am growing to love Doja. Like, her weirdness is so amazing. I like Doja. Like, she's so funny. Like, y'all may say some of the shit that she say is just, like, weird and, like, corny and all that stuff. That bitch cracks me up, honestly, truly. So, I mean, I really love her. She announced Planet Her. I was at work, and I was on break, and I saw it, and I almost screamed, because I've been waiting for Planet Her for so long. Oh, my God. But it comes out in, like, 2 weeks. Trust and believe I will be reacting to that. But for now, I'm going to react to Need to Know in the video for that. So I'm just waiting for it to load. Let's get in. Come on. This is about to be about, I already know. Doja Cat, there's no way. Let's get in, girl.
Yeah, wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night. Yeah, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know what's your size. Add, subtract, divide. Daddy don't throw no curves. Hold up, I'm going wide. We can just start at 10. Then we could.
Don't drag me. But can y'all hear Coil Ray on this? I don't know. It's just something about Coil Ray doing that little baby like that. Oh, that wasn't shade, I promise. But like the little that little like whiny little voice, I can hear her getting on something like this. And no shade, that's kind of what I don't know. That's just kind of what like the song's like low key giving, like the beat and the little voice animation type of thing. I can really hear her on this and like doing her shit, like. Really, truly. Like, honestly, I'm living for... I mean, I like it. I don't want to say I'm living for it, but, you know, I'm not even halfway through the song yet. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, so far, it's cute. You know what I mean? But, you know, that's about it for right now, right this very second. But, yeah, I just thought about Coil Ray when I heard this. But, yeah, let's go.
5, I don't play with my pen. I mean what I write, yeah. Whoa. I just can't help but be sexual. Tell me your schedule. Itching for me like an ugly sweater. Need an image like a.
Come on, Doja!
Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night, yeah.
Whoa. That's my part.
Baby, I need to know. I just been fantasizing, and we got a lot of time. Baby, come go to bed. Gotta know what it's like, yeah.
Whoa. Baby, I need to know.
Rise on me, girl, come ride me. For that silly, both us fighting. Could he try? Most likely. Try to see if you can handle the sense. Probably give us that's a panic attack. Sorry if I gave a random erection. Probably thinking I'm a telekinetic. Oh, wait, you a fan of the magic? Poof, pussy like an Alakazam. I can't stand it just one night. Can't put the drink, give me a sip. Tell me what you can, give me the dip. Life is life. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night, yeah.
Baby, I need to know.
I just been fantasizing, and we got a lot of time. Baby, come go to bed. Gotta know what it's like, yeah. Baby, I need to know.
Planet Her is about to be a whole bop. I just know it. I feel it. I feel it in my chest, and I feel it in my heart, and I know in my spirit. Planet Her is going to be the album that makes me stan her. Like, oh my god! Like, at first it started off a little slow. I was like, okay. I was trying to like catch on. I was like, okay, what's going on? And then when she started rapping, I was like, okay, yeah, this is what I need. This is what I need. And I love the little like chorus part or the hook or whatever it's called. I don't know. With a baby, I need to know. You know that part. Like, I love that part. And her verses were actually really sickening. I will say in this, hold on, like if I look down, that means I'm like looking, I'm trying to get the video together. But like, I do hope on Planet Her there is a song that shuts the people who say she isn't a rapper up. You know what I'm saying? Yes, she can be, you know, a poppy girl. Yes, she can do R&B, but the girl also raps. And when she raps, she does what needs to be done. You know what I'm saying? She reminds me of like she has a little bit of Nicki in her. Like the versatility and like being able to switch like this, like, I don't know, like she does it so well. And Nicki also, like when she came out, even to today, like she does it so well. And if you ask me, oh, I don't want to say that because that's like, that sounds really shady, but I can see Doja Cat being around for a very, very, very long time. You know what I'm saying? And for those people who think, you know, awards or, you know, determine how successful an artist is and how she didn't win not one Grammy, let me tell you something, baby. Even if she don't win a Grammy, she's going to leave a huge mark in the industry. And that's on your mama. Anyway, so let's get into this video. Need to know. It came out like 2 hours ago, so let's do this. Is she green? Doja, are you green? Let me tell you something. I know Doja. Girl, Doja loves body paint. And I do too. She looks good. Like, Doja's body is real like perfection. But like, girl, I know you be tired of going home and having to wash all that stuff off your body, honey. Just scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing. It's just like, at this point, girl, I know you be over it. Girl, you a trooper. I love you, though. Ciao, 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 ciao. All right, let's go. Girl, she playing PlayStation?
Yeah, wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night. Yeah, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. I just been fantasizing.
Doja's the only girl I know that could be green and still look the fuck good. I'm sorry. Like, she's like a greenish, and this makeup like makes her cheeks look like pointy. She looks like a little alien. She's so cute though.
We got a lot of time. Baby, come throw the pipe. Gotta know what it's like. Yeah, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. What's your size? Had to track the vibe. They don't throw no girls. Hold up, I'm going wide. We could start at 10. Yeah, we could go to 5. I don't play with my pen. I mean what I write. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night. Yeah, yeah. Oh, baby. I need
Girl, that thing got Cyborg in the video.
Trying to see if you can handle the sex. Probably give us that panic attack. Sorry if I gave a random erection. Probably thinking I'm a telekinetic. Oh, wait, you a fan of the magic? Poof, pussy like an Alakazam. I heard from a friend of a friend that dick was a 10 out of 10.
Doja's body, once again, is perfection. Like, oh my God. And Doja always had, like, one thing about Doja, she gonna have a fine ass nigga in her video. One thing about Doja Cat, she is going to have a fine man in her video. I know that's right, Doja. Come on.
Drink with the drink, give me a sip. Tell me what you can, give me the dick. Me, slap me, choke me, bite me.
Wait!
Can take it, give a fuck about what.
Slap me, choke me, spank me, bite me. The slapping part, you like to be slapped? Nigga, you slap me hard enough, bitch. We in there fighting. Fuck all that. I'm sorry.
Life is like, wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night. Yeah, yeah. Oh, baby, I need to know. I just been fantasizing, and we got a lot of time. Baby, can throw the pipe.
Baby, I need to know. Whoa, what happened at the end? What was that? Why his eyes changed? Oh, girl. Yeah, Miss Doja, you've done it again. Song, bop, video. I mean, I expected it to be, you know, cute. I will say, even though I'm not upset about it, and I don't really know where she would have fit, where she would have like put it in the song, because I don't really think it's like a dancey type of song. But I did low-key like expect a little bit of choreography. But then again, you did give the nigga a little bit of a lap dance, so I mean, you know, that counts. But I'm not mad about it not being in the video. It's just something, because whenever like Doja has a video or something, she's like, you know, moving around, dancing, you know, doing something along those lines. But did she do it in Kiss Me More? I think so. She did it a little bit in Kiss Me More. But overall, the song is really, really, really good. The video is good. You looked amazing as usual. You know, the makeup for the other girls and the hair was also like very, 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 very good. So I mean, I'm not tripping off anything. You did what needed to be done, and yeah, I really couldn't ask for more. Okay, so thank you for tuning into this video. I promised y'all the little double upload. Y'all got it. What time it will be up, I do not know. I want to say the first one. It's up. It most definitely should be up while you're watching this one. But if not, it'll be a little while after. So go ahead, cut them little notifications on. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, do all that, share it. And yeah, I will see y'all next week for a video. I gotta figure something out, but we're gonna get a video next week. All right, see y'all, bye.